Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Apple Cash for in-app purchases. To get started, unlock your iPhone or iPad and open the Settings app. At the very top of the screen, tap your name to open your Apple ID settings. This is where you can manage your account, subscriptions, payment methods, and other important options. Next, tap on Payment and Shipping. Depending on your security settings, Apple may ask you to verify your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Complete the verification to continue. Once you are inside the Payment and Shipping page, tap Add Payment Method. You will now see a list of available payment options. Select Apple Cash from the list. After selecting it, tap Done in the top right corner to save the changes. If you want Apple Cash to be used before your other payment methods, tap Edit in the top right corner. Press and hold the Apple Cash payment method, then drag it to the top of the list. This makes Apple Cash your default payment method for eligible purchases. From now on, whenever you make an in-app purchase or buy something using your Apple ID, you can simply confirm the payment using Face ID or Touch ID, and Apple Cash will be used first if it is available. Thanks for watching.